You train hard, you sweat like crazy, you burn calories, yet your belly fat stays right there. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Your workouts aren't the problem. Your body is working against you. And until you fix that, nothing changes. Stay with me for a few minutes, and you'll understand the exact reason your fat won't leave your body and the simple changes that finally force it to burn. No magic foods, no starvation, just straight science and simple steps. Step 1. Understand the real enemy, stress hormones. You think fat stays because you're eating too much. Not always. Most guys are stuck because their cortisol levels stay high all day. Stress equals elevated cortisol. Elevated cortisol equals your body stores more fat around your stomach. And here's the kicker. Hard workouts spike cortisol even higher. If the rest of your lifestyle is already chaotic, your body literally refuses to burn fat. So you can train 5 times a week and still look the same because your hormones say, nope, we're keeping this. Fix: you need workouts that stress your muscles, not your entire nervous system. And you need at least 1 to 2 low-stress days each week. Step 2. Your diet isn't bad, it's inconsistent. Most guys don't overeat. They mistime their eating. You train, you burn calories, you feel proud. Then you grab junk food because I earned it. That one snack spikes insulin. Insulin blocks fat burning for hours. So even if your total calories are fine, your timing kills your progress. Fix: keep your meals consistent. High protein, moderate carbs, simple foods, not snacks. Same eating window daily. Your body burns fat best when it predicts what's coming. Step 3. You're training hard, but not smart. There's a difference between burning calories and burning fat. Most guys sprint, sweat, die, repeat. Your heart rate shoots up so high that your body switches into full panic mode, and panic mode stores fat. What works better? Strength-focused calisthenics like push-ups, pull-ups, squats, dips, planks, slow negatives, controlled reps. These build muscle. More muscle equals higher metabolism. Higher metabolism equals more fat burned even while resting. Hard cardio destroys your energy. Smart strength training changes your body. Step 4. You don't sleep enough. You can train perfectly and eat perfectly, but if you're sleeping 4 to 6 hours, forget it. Low sleep increases hunger, reduces muscle recovery, raises cortisol, slows metabolism, makes your body hold fat like a safety blanket. Your body literally thinks you're in danger, so it stores fat for protection. Fix: 7+ hours, non-negotiable. Step 5. You're expecting results too fast. Here's the truth no one likes hearing. Fat loss is slow. Muscle grows slow. Your body changes slow. You don't get lean by having perfect days. You get lean by avoiding bad days. Consistency beats intensity every single time. Common mistakes. Mistake number 1, doing only HIIT. Too stressful. Spikes cortisol. Mistake number 2, eating healthy but snacking all day. Snacks destroy insulin control. Mistake number 3, training 6 to 7 days a week with no rest. More training doesn't equal more fat loss. More stress equals more fat storage. Mistake number 4, fasting randomly. Fasting works only when paired with consistency. Mistake number 5, chasing ab exercises. Spot reducing fat is a myth. Abs show up naturally when your hormones and routine are dialed in. 7-day action plan. This is the simplest fat loss plan most men never try. Day 1 through 3. Training. Push-ups, 4 sets. Pull-up or inverted row, 4 sets. Squats, 4 sets. Plank, 45 to 60 seconds. All at a controlled pace. No panic breathing. Diet. Breakfast, eggs plus oats. Lunch, chicken plus rice or potatoes. Dinner, fish or beef plus vegetables. No snacks. 2 to 3 liters water. Sleep minimum 7 hours. Day 4, low stress day. A light walk, stretching, deep breathing, no heavy training. Let cortisol drop. Days 5 through 6, same strength routine as days 1 through 3. Keep meals identical. Stay consistent. Day 7, full rest. Hydrate, long walk, early sleep. If you follow this for even 1 week, the difference in energy, hunger, mood, and belly bloat will shock you. If you want a stronger, leaner body without starving or killing yourself with cardio, hit the like button so this message reaches more people like you. And if you're serious about fixing this, watch the next video. It explains the exact morning routine that boosts fat loss all day.